Welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm escaping the rain and creating a spring nail art design. It's been raining off and on for the last 2 weeks and I'm kind of getting over it. Apparently we've had one of the wettest summers in 30 years and we're definitely feeling it. It feels like it's just never stopped. Luckily today we've got a bit of a respite and a little bit of sun is coming through, which is awesome. So I decided to start this design with a polish called Tickle Me Fancy by OPI. This polish is really pretty. It's like a pink nude shade. It's not something that I typically buy, but I'm really glad I've got it. And it's just one of those really good ones that I can use for nail art and use to sort of make my designs pop. You can check a full review and swatch in my video. I'll just pop that in the top corner for you. Then I moved on to the stamping plates after I had 2 coats of this base polish. The stamping, I was originally going to create some butterfly images, but unfortunately I just couldn't get the plate to work. I was just having an off day, or it wasn't working. I tried a few different techniques and different stampers and it just wasn't doing it for me. So I decided to move on and just grab a new plate and went with a sort of plant theme. So I've got this Manology Choose Your Own stamping plate. So their Choose Your Own ones are designed by the community and people submit designs and then you can, everyone votes and you end up with these really cool designs. So I've also got my last week design, which was a bee, also used to choose your own plate. So this one features a bunch of different like big leaves and it's very tropical vibes, so I thought this would be the perfect getaway from the rainy weather. I decided to use 3 different pastel polishes, so I've got a blue, a pink and a green. Sorry, no, pink and purple. I was going to use a pink, but I was worried that it wasn't going to show through and it would sort of tie in or sort of not be contrasting enough against the base color. Even the purple's almost borderline not contrasting enough, but it still shows through and you can still see what the images are fairly clearly. It's just not as strong as what it is for the blue and the green. I decided to interchange the colors, so I made sure no 2 colors were next to each other and just had fun picking up different images. I didn't want to use the same image or just all big leaf images because I was worried that it wouldn't be clear of what it was and wouldn't be clear that it was a big leaf. So I did use a mix of like full palm trees, a hanging basket, a couple little like branches as well, just so you kind of got the idea that this is a plant and it's not just a random pattern that I'm putting on my nail, although that would make for a pretty cool nail art design as well. Once I was happy with the design, I then put on a Manology smudge-free top coat and just a regular top coat over the top. Oh, of course it's over the top. But yeah, so this is my design. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment what nails you'll be creating next. Will you be doing a spring design or maybe something for autumn? For me, I think I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day design and I'm leaning towards doing 2 designs this year. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see that design next week. And thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!